I wake up at 7 a.m. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I get dressed. I get dressed. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I drink coffee. I drink coffee. I check my phone. I check my phone. I read the book. I read the book. I pack my bag. I pack my bag. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I leave the house. I leave the house. I walk to the bus stop. I walk to the bus stop. I get on the bus. I get on the bus. I listen to music. I listen to music. I look out the window. I look out the window. I talk to a friend. I talk to a friend. I get off the bus. I get off the bus. I arrive at work. I arrive at work. I say hello to my colleagues. I say hello to my colleagues. I start working. I start working. I check my emails. I check my emails. I make phone calls. I make phone calls. I have a meeting. I have a meeting. I drink tea. I drink tea. I eat lunch. I eat lunch. I talk to my coworkers. I talk to my coworkers. I take a short break. I take a short break. I go for a walk. I go for a walk. I listen to a podcast. I listen to a podcast. I answer messages. I answer messages. I study English. I study English. I do some exercises. I do some exercises. I clean my desk. I clean my desk. I organize my files. I organize my files. I check the calendar. I check the calendar. I help someone. I help someone. I write in my diary. I walk home while enjoying the sunset. I take off my shoes and relax. I wash my hands after coming home. I cook a simple dinner. I cook a simple dinner. I set the table for dinner. I clean the dishes after eating. I relax on the sofa and read a book. I talk to my family about the day. I do a small home workout. I do a small home workout. I water the plants gently. I water the plants gently. I feed my pets with care. I feed my pets with care. I put on comfortable pajamas. I read a short story before sleeping.